Hey there, this is Lillian from Tiger Lily Virtual Assistants. Today I'm going to show you how to do Google Docs. This will be the tutorial for that. And I'm showing you a screen right now. I'm on google.com. And in order to access Google Docs, you will need to sign into your either Gmail account or Google Plus account. And I have already done that. You can see my name here, Lillian. And the first thing you need to do is click on the icon with the 9 little squares, which is for apps. You want to click on that and go to the icon for Google Drive. Google Drive is the cloud storage space for Google Docs, which means it's storage area you can access at any time as long as you have the internet. So this is my Google Drive, and I don't have much in here because I have a new account. But typically when you are working with someone or just have documents that you're working with, this area will be a long list of all the documents that you're working with. And right now I have just 4. And I'm going to show you where you would create those documents. You click on the Create button and you'll have a list here which will have Document, and that is similar to Microsoft Office Word. Presentation is just like PowerPoint. Spreadsheet is just like Excel. Form, drawing, self-explanatory. Connect more apps. That's pretty fun. There are so many different apps you can work with through Google Drive. There's just so many. I haven't worked with many with Google Drive. I'd like to hear some feedback on that, actually, if you have, and see what works best for you. I'm going to close that out, and I'm going to show you what happens. Basically, this is going to be the best spot to collaborate with someone that is out of the office and you need to work on a document together. Now you have the activity column here. This is going to list all of your activity for all the documents that you work with, and the person who you're collaborating with, their activity is going to be listed here as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'll click on folder 1, and this is where I have a test letter that I had already started. Open that up. It's just like Word, where you have a toolbar and it gives you the different options of layouts, how you can download. You can download as a doc or PDF or whichever one you like here are listed. And you can insert images, links. It's very, very similar to Word. The one thing that you can do here that's different is that you can share. Now here you can share with the blue button on the right, or you can go under File. Click on Share, and this is where you're given a link. Now the link you can go ahead and share via Gmail, Google+, Facebook, or Twitter. And you can list what kind of access or sharing options you have. You can post it directly onto the web. But if you're collaborating with someone, this is going to be the most appropriate setting as anyone with the link. And here is where you indicate what you want. You can have them edit, comment, or view it. I'm going to go ahead and make that change. Just want them to comment. And I'm going to click Save. Okay. This is where you list the person's name. If they're already in your contact list in Gmail, you can put in their name here or just type in their email address. Click on Done. And in order to go back to your drive, click on Open Google Drive. Now go back here and you'll see how the activity just changed. It'll say today, it's me. I changed the permissions on the item on the test letter, and I changed anyone with the link can comment before it was can edit. So you have all of your changes right there in front of you. And in order to get this organized and be able to share appropriately would be through folders. That's the best thing you can do. Because if you have all this listing here of documents and you're sharing it with several people or just one person, it gets a little tedious to get organized that way. It's just best to have them all in one folder and you can share the actual folder. So when you click on that checkbox there next to that folder, anything inside that folder, I want them to have access to. So I'm going to click on More and click on Share. And basically it's the same thing as just sharing a document, but I'm sharing a folder now. And I can go ahead and make this change because right now it does have it as private. I want to share it with anyone with the link. And it's going to go ahead and let them know they can edit anything in that folder. And click on Done. Okay, so you can see I have shared here, shared here. It actually lets you know what you've already shared with. Okay, so that's the gist of Google Docs. It's not a mystery. It's pretty easy. I know a lot of people are a little intimidated by it, and a lot of people are just on Microsoft Office Suite only, and that's great and all, but if you're in an office with coworkers and you all share the same shared drive, you're good. But if you have people that you work with outside of the office and you need to collaborate on documents, this is going to be your best bet. Google Docs. Okay? Let me know what your feedback is. I really want to know your thoughts on it. If you do use Google Docs and if it works for you, if you don't like it, I would like to hear that too. And if you use any of those cool apps that go along with it, let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.